Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos, vlogs, shopping, all that content. So if you like that kind of content, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my videos. And yeah, but today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. We have a couple new makeup drops, but mostly this is like the back to school stuff, at least the start of it. I'll probably do a couple back to school videos from the Dollar Tree stuff, so stay tuned for that. But for now, this is the start of it. So yeah, also I'm wearing Dollar Tree makeup right now. I don't know if you can tell because I film on my computer, but yeah. So anyway, grab a snack, subscribe, let's get right into it. So the first thing we got is the Shea Butter lipstick, and this is in nude from the Butter Bay collection. So we have that. Then we got these new Bio Swiss holographic band-aids. I don't know, I think they're so cool looking. So we got these because, you know, never have enough band-aids. Then we got the Lip Shine Gloss in Lime Peach. I really like this shade, so I got that. Then we got the Cheek Tint in Cream Mousse Blush in Hazelnut Gelato. I love this one because I feel like I can do a bronzer and a blush duo. So, got that. I'm going to do a whole video on this collection because I want to. Then we got the Bronzing Drops in Solo Mio. Got that. Then we got the Tinted Lip Balm in Bunny Fuchsia. I'm obsessed with this. So we have that one, and this is what it's supposed to look like on the skin, on the lips. We got Bunny Fuchsia. Then we got the Dakota Pink Shine Lip Gloss. And this is all from the Pink Cowgirl collection, by the way. That. Then we have the Cheek Tint Cream Mousse Blush in Cherry Gelato. I'm obsessed with this color. Then we have the Tinted Lip Balm in Bunny Coral. So we got both lip balms. Then we got the Brightening Drops, which I'm excited to try these actually, because I feel like my skin's very dull right now. So we got those. Then we got the red Strawberry Swirl Lip Gloss. I'm obsessed with this. Then we got the Deep Mauve Lip Butter, Shea Butter. Then we got the Grape Strawberry Swirl Gloss. I didn't know they were scented. I had no idea. So we got that. So that's really most of the beauty for this haul, and now we're going to get into the back to school stuff, which I'm hyped for. Alright, first thing we got is by Journaling by Ink. It's the Color Point Acrylic Gel Pen, Teal Ink, and Blue Ink. So we have this set. I love pens. If you guys know me, you know I love pens. So we got that. Then we got the sticky note set. You get 90 sheets. How cute are those? Like, are we kidding? So we got that. Everything's about to fall. I'm literally watching everything fall. Then we got this weekly planner, and these are $2. And this one's just weekly, like it's not 2027 or anything. So this is always nice to put on your desk or whatever. So, and of course the cherries. And then another dated but not year dated, do you know what I mean? You'll see, is this calendar, which I love. I think it's so cute. So you can use this any year, whenever, you know. So we got that one, and those were $2. Then we got this notebook, and it just says, I can't talk, Lucky all over it. And it has, like, you know, horseshoes on the pages, so that's so super cute. Then we got another sticky note sheet. How cute are these though? So we have this set, and there's so much more that I saw on TikTok that I haven't found yet, which I think today when I go around to the couple Dollar Trees I'll find them. Then we have these Flick gel pens, Comfort Grip, quick drying, and these are 2 gel pens, black ink. And can we just talk about the little design? But we have this one. Then we have these soft tip glitter highlighters, orange ink and teal ink. These are so cute. And then we have pink ink and green ink, and they're glittered. Like, are we kidding? These are so adorable. And you don't need to be going to school just to get back to school stuff. It's fun. Journaling, all that, you know? Then we have blue ink and purple ink highlighters. Oh, random. I needed more lip scrubbers. Then we have black ink again, but they're just like a different little smiley faces. Different color pen, same black ink though. So got that. Then we have, I think this is the last sticky note set. It's like a little gamer version. How adorable. So that one. I'm running out of room. Then we got, oh yeah, we got these erasable colored pencils. I've never seen erasable. I don't know if I'm not living in the right year, but I've never come across them. So these are so cute. You get like different colors. Obviously they're separate, but you know. So we got these. Jot is not messing. I mean, ink is not messing around. Then we got these acrylic gel pens, purple and pink ink. How cute. Then we got another set. I think this is a different set of like the little smiley face ones. Then, sorry, I'm just like pulling out of the bag. We have yellow ink and orange ink. I'm obsessed with these. I definitely want to pick up another set of these ones. So we have these. Then we have these metallic markers, and I'm obsessed with the colors of these. Like, are we kidding me? How cute. So those. And then these zebra pens. These are just medium point gel, black ink. They had a lot more of these, but these weren't like that crazy cool to me, so I just got one set of those. Then, okay, we have a couple more things from this bag. Then, are we kidding? Stationery set. So you get 80 sticky notes, a pen, and a pen topper. Are we joking? Like, I can't. So we got that, and there was so many more designs too, like different patterns. Then for this bag, I got the little paperclip, little tray, you know, put my pencils and pens on. They had a pencil and other stuff too, but this was what intrigued me. So that's just bag number 1. So let's keep on moving. Okay, then more back to school stuff. We got this little notebook. This is so cute. So we got that. I'm still all for the bow theme. Then we got these mini composition notebooks. There's 3 in here. I'm just gonna try to rip it, the packaging, so I can show you guys all 3. Here we go. So you get 3 in a pack, and this is the pack I picked. How cute. So this one. So there's that one. Lost my garbage. Then we have this little notebook. These are great. I love these. So simple. They had so many colors. I'll probably pick up more. Then we got this notebook. Oh, wait, you get 2 in here. Okay, so you get a pig. And I have no idea what the other one is because I did not know you got 2. So I'm pretty stoked about that. If I can find my pen. I'm just gonna use my nail. I did not know you got 2 in here. Now I have to go find the other like sets and figure out what you can get. I really hope this was the giraffe. I'll be ecstatic. So we have the piggy. Oh yes, okay, and then we get the giraffe. Yes, I'm obsessed. I'm picking up more now that I know you get 2 in here. So we got those. I'm so excited. And then we got this We Live in the Moment guided journal, mindfulness journal. They had tons of different ones of these, but this is the one I picked. I might get another one, I don't know. But I love me a guided journal. So that is it for now. I cannot wait to go out today, and I hope I find more of the viral stuff on TikTok. But I'm excited. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss it. A couple more things I found at the store again, like back to school. I got another set of these pens because I'm obsessed with these. You get yellow, pink, and orange. I don't know why I couldn't read that. I'm obsessed with these. So I got those. Then we got this Lego pencil case. I don't care. I think this is so cute. Like, I don't know why. I think it's so, oh, you unsnap it from each side. Okay. And it comes off completely. And yeah, I don't know. I think it's so adorable. So, got that. And there's multiple colors. It's called a storage container. Then we got the little ones. So you get two, and they're just the little ones. So we got the yellow ones. Then I got this set of notebooks in hopes that it is the ones that I want. Because I did not know that you get two in each thing. So I'm really hoping that... What? My cat's all coming up to me. She probably wants fed again. Okay, so first off we have this otter. I think it's an otter, right? And then, what's our second? It's the hedgehog. Okay, so we got the hedgehog and the otter. Super cute. So that's what I found in this strip. Hopefully I find a lot more. Okay, we're back with more back to school stuff. So the first thing I got are these stackable highlighter. So, because I got multiple. But it is the teddy bear one, or gummy bear, whatever you want to call it. How cute is that though? To get those colors. And then I think that's the only highlighter I got though. And then we have the squishy pen. That's like the game control one. Got that. Then got the strawberry one. How adorable. And then we got the gummy bear one. So we got that. And gummy bear, okay. Then we got this little cosmetic pencil case, which says game over. And then the pencil case, the little Lego pencil case. Again, these are so cute. I thought they were stackable, but they're not. Then I finally found the little notebooks with the charms. So this is the notebook, and then the charm. So we have the blue one, and we have the green one. These ones. And then the red one. So we got that. And blue and green again. And we get a stackable highlighter in the game. And then we got this pencil case that says literally just a girl. I thought it was hilarious. I don't know why. And then we got the stackable highlighter in the strawberry. Then we got some pens. So we got the game pen and the cherry pen. Famous. And then, oh, this is our beauty thing that goes in the beauty pile. And then we got these little sticky note flags, which I can always use sticky notes, but these were just so cute. So got that. Then we got some pencil pouches, which these are perfect makeup bags, honestly. So we have, they're all stuck together. We have this blue, Or like, that's more teal. Purple, blue, and like orangey, pink, peach. And then these wonderful mesh zipper bags. These are huge. These can be used for so many different things. To hold makeup, for travel, for wet bathing suits, literally anything. So definitely pick these up if you guys see these. But that is it for those bags of back to school stuff. And I think that's most of everything back to school that is defined, honestly. So if not, there'll be more to this video. But if that is it, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope if you guys are in school, if your kids are in school, your family's in school, I hope you guys, everyone has a great school year. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, share the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.